a sec. So, what am I even doing right now? Well, I'm building my new workshop in my garage. So, my parents allotted me 1/4 of our garage for my bikes and my desk and anything that I want to use to work on my bikes. So, these are the bikes that are going to be in my workshop. I'm selling my road bike. Unfortunately, it's just gotten too small for me. We've got the Battleship, my brother's BMX bike, my grandpa's old road bike, and my dad's mountain bike. So, my idea is I'm going to have this cabinet for all my tools up there, and I'm going to add some more shelves down there. I also have some buckets with what I use to wash my bikes. Got my pump. Over in this area right here, this scrap wood, which is for some projects that we're in the middle of doing at my house. And once that's done, we're going to put a big desk here, and it's going to be big enough that I can slide my ramp under it. So that's why the ramp's there. We're going to hang this little bike thing on the back of this cabinet. I just think it would be pretty cool to look at. And then, since my grandpa died and I got to keep his bike, we're going to hang it up on the wall up there. Just have a constant reminder of him. And then finally, over here, we'll have a little parking space spot for my brother's bike and my dad's mountain bike. And then, of course, I'm in the middle of selling my road bike. And then we'll just have my stand always in the middle of the floor with the Battleship on it. Now, all that's left for me to do is organize a few tools, and my workshop is off to a great start. Thanks for watching this week's video of the part 1 of me building my garage workshop. In 2 weeks, I'll be posting part 2, and you'll get to see me build my workbench. But thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
You like it? Buy something up here.